Santa ate the cookie?
Yeah, he drank some milk too. And he leaves some for us.
Really?
Look what he got. A Twisto. Oh, he gave you a Kindle. Or iPad too. Twisto. Look,
Oh.
that's for you.
Is it?
Is it? I don't know. Tim gave us this Twisto. I think it's for you.
Really?
Is it?
I don't think so, baby.
I don't know. Who's it for? I got one too. Even got a case. Where are your presents, Mommy?
No, I
Did
don't.
Santa bring you some?
No, it's okay.
Look at our case, Hannah. I wonder if this one. I even got a helicopter. Look, he even got us pajamas. Yay! Yay! What I even wanted.
That's what you wanted?
I like this one.
Oh.
With these on it. Thank you, Santa Claus and Mommy. Thank you, Santa Claus and Mommy.
I don't even know. Where's my present then? Did I give you present?
No. You could use this, Mommy. You want to use it?
I want to use it?
Yeah.
You're going to give it to me?
No. You could borrow it. You could borrow it, Mommy.
Can borrow it? Push the button over there and put it in the back or somewhere.
I got one. I got one. I got one co-op. I got the Kindle.
Missy?
Kindle. That's the power button. You just turn it
Hold
off.
it. Hold it.
Okay. Ooh.
Hold it. Hold it.
Pretty cool, huh?
You can start open your present now.
Yeah. Thank you, Mommy, for the thing.
What thing? Which one?
Did you give me this?
I don't think so. I think Santa gave it to you.
I think Santa gave it to us.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, he gave you slippers? This is so nice, Mommy.
You're welcome, babe.
You and Santa Claus giving us presents. I wonder whose are these for? Maybe for you. Mama, these are mine.
Yeah, that's from Mommy. I don't think so. I think that's from Santa. I think.
That and see if it's for you. Or Mommy or me. Can I see it?
Yeah, go ahead. Go, Brittany.
Oh, what did you put in our stocking?